What's up, guys? It's Sunday Backyard Farmer. Now today I'm planning on accomplishing, I want to do a sweet potato harvest. Now they coming with their dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. I've gotten these sweet potatoes. I'm gonna walk over here. They're not real leafy like most people's. They're probably spawned. I don't know. We have been sauteing the sweet potato leaves, but I've gotten this. You see it in the video. The first time me and my wife went to Savannah and met Black's Tropical Homestead. Actually, we was in Savannah on business, and we decided to meet up with Black's Tropical Homestead
Uncle
for the
Bobby
first
B,
time.
baby.
And this is before the expo.
Uncle Bobby B.
So you see me running in Walmart and buying some sweet potatoes. Now these are the same sweet potatoes that I have not touched as far as digging up or mounding up or anything. So that's way past 120 days. I just set them and forget them, and we're just gonna see how those turned out. We're gonna get in this front yard, cut this grass real quick. It's pretty small, so it don't take long. And then after that, I'll be back in the backyard, sweet potato harvest, and go from there. So here we go, guys.
Everywhere I go, I do my thing. AP blew my vision, and my Bryland do the same. I just hit the stage, now they screaming gay the game. I'd rather do a show, cause 36 will pay the same, yeah. About to hit a lick up in it.
All right, guys, so we're gonna get the tripod set up so you guys can see me harvest these sweet potatoes. I'm hoping I do better than I did last year. Like my cousin Broke say, any harvest is a good harvest. So let's get you guys set up. All right, guys, first thing first is these vines are going, along this fence. So I'm gonna just cut them so I can just move the basket itself. Got one. Ew. We got two. This is already better than last season because the ones I had last season was so small. Last season's was even smaller than this. So we got some right here. And I get to start on, ooh, I broke one. See, it's pretty smashed down in there. There's a lot of pressure. I don't know, guys. I had drainage holes in the bottom, but this is very, very compacted. It was like it was loose at the top, the soil was. And at the bottom, it was just very, very compacted. So hopefully I get to start some more sweet potato slips, probably in the house or whatever for next season, so I can just keep this thing going and won't have to buy any more sweet potatoes. That should be the goal for most gardeners, to be able to be self-sufficient on whether it's seeds or once you get some up and going. Just like strawberries, I don't always get a lot of strawberries, but I try to keep propagating them, so therefore I can get enough so the pests or the animals of nature, it won't bother me when they actually be eating my strawberries. So these are the decent sized ones. There's a few smaller ones in here. That's what we got. All right, guys, so we got that out the way, and there's an area that I want to take the dirt from this container and kind of get one little small area ready to do some more planting. So we're gonna use some of this dirt. We're gonna use some black cow, just because it's a small area, I can kind of control it and go from there. All right, guys, this is the area that we're getting ready. Like I said, we're gonna add some black cow, and we're gonna add the soil from the sweet potatoes over here. Guys, this is the finished area, so I keep you guys updated on how it do. Got it watered in. That's it. What we got? We got 6, 7, 8 in this area. We're doing okay. These red mustard greens, I'm trying not to be impatient, but they're coming in kind of slow in comparison into the turnip greens. You see, especially that one. So everything's doing okay.